throughout your filmography, నేను చూసినప్పుడు how versatile it is, how unique it is. అంటే ఎప్పుడు కూడా you're never running behind the commercial cinemas, never running behind the great producers. You're always striving about the good stories.
No, I run behind great producers. They don't just get me work. That's all. I would want to do all those mass numbers and all. I would want to do all that.
Okay.
As an actor, we should be open to do anything that comes to you. If you have to romance a bottle of water, you should know how to do it. As an actor, you should be open.
Okay.
But there are some limitations we have where with the choices we make. For example, my career, I know for a fact that if I am a furniture in a film where hero is only doing everything and she's just like there and she's just dancing for 2 songs and left, people will not like it. People will be like, why is Avika doing this? Avika can act. Why is she doing this? So I think I have my audience and they have clarity for what they want to see me. And I think that is why I've chosen some parts that don't make me sleep at night because they're disturbing. They're difficult to do. The film that I did, 1920, the Hindi, my debut.
Okay.
I was, for 50 days schedule, I have cried every day for 12 hours. It was not easy. It was mentally, emotionally heavy as a film. But that's your job. At the end of the day, people made that a hit because they saw something in it. And, you know, there are so many such examples. #bro. 40-45 days schedule. I did not feel like it is Avika shooting. It was Subbu. It was that character. And that changed my life. #bro is that one film. Even now on my Instagram, that's the pinned first post.
Wow.
I am obsessed with that character of mine. And every character gives you something in return. Subbu gave me that energy in life that I don't need to be sullen and sad and be that person. I can be happy, and Subbu did that for me. I was not like that before that. So I think this particular character is also going to be very different. It made me feel so uncomfortable, and I've been saying this again and again that this was the only film in my career till now that I have been genuinely uncomfortable because of the scenes that we did. I mean, nothing wrong with Nandu, he's a nice guy. But I think the scenes that we did, like there's this one scene where he's smoking, like blowing the smoke right here in my face. Not easy to do. Not easy to receive that because I wanted to slap him. It was very irritating. Then there was this other scene where, you know, he's using cigarette to make marks on my hand. And obviously it wasn't real, it was all fake, but just the thought of this is real for someone out there, it was very disturbing. Like at nights, there were some times when I used to go back home and feel like it is too dark. It's just not nice. Why are we showing so much? Why are we showing marital rape with that? Like there is no making where we feel that it's happening behind the doors. The camera is inside the door. You have to see it. And while that is going on, it made me feel very like, imagine this poster, right? It's not easy to be like that and just feel all of that happening around. It's not easy. So it was a very uncomfortable project to be a part of. But at the end of the day, that is exactly what we want audiences to feel. And that is why I was casted. Because at the end of the day, people will relate to me. People know me and they will feel sad for me. And we want that. We want exactly that.
Great.